everyone, and welcome to Baking 101 with the William F. Lehman Public Library System. My name is Shelby, and today I'll be showing you how to decorate a dinosaur cake. For this project, you'll obviously need your dinosaur-shaped cake. We have a bunch of different cake pans available upstairs in the makerspace area, so if you want to change it up a little bit, you could get Mickey Mouse or any other number of characters. You'll also need your base icing. I'm using a basic vanilla buttercream icing because it takes color really well, but you could use chocolate if you want to, or even something like strawberry, as long as you're not planning to change it to like a really off-the-wall pale shade. I have a variety of sprinkles, my piping bags, and my piping tips, as well as a bowl and a spatula. So I'm going to add several drops of gel food coloring to my bowl first and foremost, and give the icing a good mix so that that color is nice and even. There we go. And now it is ready to be applied to the cake. Don't feel bad if some of his details disappear under the base coat of icing, because we're going to go back in with our decorative tools and sort of add those back in using other colors. Okay, so I've added a little bit more icing to the bowl, and what I'm going to do is drip a little bit of black in with the blue, just to make it a bit darker while I add his spikes and belly stripes. Alright, so I just took a normal Ziploc bag rather than a piping bag and cut one of the corners out so that I could attach the icing tip. I don't know about you guys, but most of the time, by the time I think about needing a piping bag, I'm already halfway into my cake decorating and I don't really have time to go to the store. So now I'm going to pipe a few of his little spikes on the back. And don't feel bad if they don't quite match the cake pan. Like I always tell people, it doesn't really matter what it looks like as long as it tastes good. And I will go back in with a popsicle stick here in a moment and sort of smooth out the shape of the spikes. Okay, now I'm going to use just a little white icing on there to give him an eyeball. Okay, now we're pretty much done with the icing part of the cake decorating. but I am going to add a bit of green sprinkles to the scales in between the gray lines on his belly, just so he's got a bit more color. Here we go. Thank you guys so much for decorating with me today. Please don't forget to like and comment to let us know what you'd like to see from us in the future. Follow us on social media via Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to see our other content, as well as checking out our website, laymanlibrary.org, to learn all about our summer reading program, Tales and Tales, where we have something for every age. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!